Ethiopia versus Zambia FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup 2026 qualifiers Africa third round second leg fixtures. Ethiopia Women Under-17 last 4 matches 3 wins 0 draw 1 loss. Zambia Women Under-17 last 4 matches 4 wins 0 draw 0 loss. Head-to-head Ethiopia versus Zambia Women Under-17. Score prediction Ethiopia 1, Zambia 2,